Hello and welcome to another Load Up Crypto video. In this video, I'd like to talk about another indicator that you can find on lookintobitcoin.com, a really good website, I think, where you have a lot of free indicators really that you can check out and that give you really a good long-term view about where we currently are in the crypto market. Okay, so this is highly interesting as there are various indicators that currently point out that either we've seen the low already in the crypto market or that we are very, very close to it. And I showed you in the past videos various indicators that suggest that, yeah, we are in an accumulation phase. I think that's pretty clear. A lot of people expect still another 50% drop. I personally don't necessarily think that it will be a 50% drop. Yes, we have certainly the chance to make another low, maybe around 17, maybe around 15K for Bitcoin. But I'm of the opinion that we could have seen the low already. So, you know, this is sort of the decision everybody needs to take for themselves. But my view is either we have seen the low already or we are very, very close to it. And all these indicators confirm that. And another indicator I'd like to show you today is the 1 year plus HODL wave. That is an indicator that shows you here in blue the overall Bitcoin price. And then here in orange, the 1 year plus HODL wave. Now, what is that? That is the amount of Bitcoin, in percent basically, that has not been moved from wallet to wallet for over a year. And what you can usually see, that these are basically the Bitcoins that haven't been moved, that people are holding for longer than a year. They're not moving them around, they're just sitting there in a wallet. And what you can typically see is that when we go towards a cycle top or a peak of a cycle, you see this HODL wave go down. Yeah, you can see the examples here, first time in 2011, then here as well in 2013. I mean, the absolute low here of the HODL wave and the absolute high don't 100% correlate to each other, but they are very close to each other. Then here in 2017, we've seen the HODL wave go down. Then again here in 2021, when we had the cycle top, it's also gone down. Now it's going up. Yeah, it's currently going up. And whenever we are getting sort of close to the end of a bear market, then it is peaking. So here we've seen the same story. That was 2015, for example, in the bear market. I'm zooming in. You can see the price bottomed out and the 1 year HODL wave peaked and then started to go down as prices went up. So it's just a good idea of where we are also in terms of long-term investors. We can currently see that the HODL wave is going up, but it might have peaked here when the price bottomed here around 20K, just below 20K. So it's just an interesting development I wanted to make you aware of. We are climbing higher and higher. So definitely here getting either close to another peak or we've seen the peak already on the 1 year HODL wave. I think it's just an interesting indicator that adds up to the whole story or narrative around here we've seen the low or we are very close to the low. It's a good indicator to see when people are starting to sell. Here we could argue that we might have seen the peak already. As you can see, we had quite a sharp decline up here. If I zoom in again, you see that. You don't see that sharp decline here on the lower time frame, but certainly it is starting to go down, the HODL wave, similar to what happened here. And that was in September 2020 when prices also started to go up. So we might really have seen here the low already. Will be interesting, I think, in the next few weeks. We probably get more clarity, but it's just something to keep an eye on because the HODL waves just indicate how long, when people are starting to sell their Bitcoin or starting to move them at least around, from wallet to wallet. So keep an eye on that. So hopefully that was a useful video. If you did like it, then please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.